All right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing this new Class 3 receiver on our ID4. Let's get started. So here's a closer look at the new receiver. It's 2-inch now, upgrading from the 1 1/4 that comes stock with the ID4 if you have the tow package. And this will be a nice little upgrade. The current ID4 is 2,700 pounds max, 270 that on the tongue. This will upgrade us to 3,500 pounds and minimum of 350 pounds in the tongue. And it's just nice to have a 2-inch receiver. It's just a little bit more universal and a little bit more robust than the current 1 1/4 receiver. Now this should be a fairly easy job. There's just 4 bolts you have to take off. There's one down here and one over up there, then 2 on the other side. This uses a 5/8 socket. I don't want to break anything using an impact, so I'm going to see how hard it is to get this off. But yeah, it's coming off pretty easy. Easy peasy. All right, halfway there. See how this goes like this. Pretty neat. It's got the angle and everything for us. Let's see over the camera. I might just hit these bolts with a little WD-40 before I put them back in, so I'll be right back. Got it done. I'm gonna go ahead and find my torque wrench and tighten those up to spec, and then we'll be ready to row. Just want to say there's one thing I don't like about this tow system on the ID4. It's this placement here of the electronics here, the port. So it's kind of a pain pulling this thing down and trying to finagle your connector plug, your 7-pin plug. It goes up there. I noticed on the European versions of the ID4, this is mounted out. You just kind of open up and plug it in. This is kind of a pain going up and under. So this didn't come with my ID4. I had to pick this up aftermarket. All right, so I got the new 2-inch receiver put in. Pretty easy job. Took less than 5 minutes. It will now receive the 2-inch hitches and a little more robust and just a little bit more universal here. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Pretty easy DIY project. Come on back for more videos. Have a great day.